How you doing? It's Chris with Drift HQ again. Today we're going to be covering the install of this Bridge Moto steering wheel as well as our NRG hub adapter and a small spacer that we're going to be running. So the first thing we want to do is disconnect our battery and let the car sit for about 30 minutes just to let everything discharge. So now to remove the steering wheel and airbag, the airbag is going to come out. There's two small holes on the back of the steering wheel here. Insert a flathead screwdriver flat and push it in towards the inside. So this is the clip here. This is a spring retainer. You're going to push with your screwdriver there, and that's going to release the airbag from these tabs right here, allow you to pull the assembly out. Now for the removal of the steering wheel, there's one central bolt in the middle, a 16mm. It's easier if you have an impact. If not, you can lock your steering wheel and use a large breaker bar because the bolt is usually pretty tight. Now for the removal, you can just pull the steering wheel towards you a little bit. Now you are going to see the wiring harness still attached to the central hub there. Cruise control controls, as well as your radio controls and all that stuff that's not going to be functional now with your new steering wheel. Alright, so with this hub adapter here, you have a spot up top that's notched specifically for your buttons and switches, so you don't have to remove the whole clock spring assembly, and that's just going to slip right over top. So just put our hub bolt right back in the center. Now this spacer piece has a set of hardware that comes with it, along with the Allen key, and you're just going to use that hardware, and you can see the holes that are tapered down are the wider ones that you're going to line up for this particular hub. So you're going to put a little bit of thread locker on each one, just a little drop, because these do have a tendency to vibrate out. So we put in just a little bit of thread locker on this as well. These are going to be the ones holding our steering wheel to the hub itself. Well, that wraps up our installation. If you have any questions or anything, you can give us a call or an email at info@drifthq. Thanks for watching.